Hello and welcome to Huevy. Huevy helps you build products faster, creates color palettes, typescale and size variables, and syncs to Figma and Codebase so you can build consistent products. In this short video, I'll walk you through how it works and how you can make your workflow more efficient. Let's begin. But right now we want to create a new design system, so we'll click this button. Now we are in the tools section where we have the colors, type, scale and sizes tabs. First let's build the colors. So some colors are already generated. We can see the harmony that has been applied. We can change the harmony. Let's say we have a specific brand color. Right, you can directly enter the X value over here as well, and the palette will be generated. Now based on this, the rest of the colors will be changed. So if you select triadic, the rest of the two colors, secondary and accent, will follow the harmony based on the primary color. Same goes for analogous and split complementary. You can also enable or disable the system colors, that is for the success, warning and error states. For pro users, we also have the option to edit those colors, which you can expand and edit them. So once your colors are ready, click confirm changes and the colors will be added on the right side. You can see the whole palette over here. Now let's move to the type scale. By default, a type scale is generated for you. Let's say we have base font size of 14 pixels for now, and our scaling ratio is -1/3. We can enable or disable the font weights in the export and line heights as well. Once you are satisfied, just click confirm changes and it will be added to the design system. Let's also name this design system while we are at here. Let's call it hello design system and we press enter. Now let's move to the sizes. So by default, we have some standard sizes already generated for you, which you can start using in your designs. But if you want to customize, you can select any group from this drop down and you can edit that particular group. Let's say, for example, we want to have border radius up to 64. So we'll make the end value as 64 and we will add another step over here. So right now we have the step size 8 till the limit of 40. Let's make it 12 till the limit of 64. Now you can see as per these steps, we have step size 2 till the limit of 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Then step size 4 till 16. So 12, 16, and then 8 till 40. So we'll have incremental value of 8 from 16 till 40, and then 12 till 64. So 52 and 64. We have a round variable. Let's confirm this changes as well. Now we'll sync this to Figma. So all we have to do is copy the key. If you are a free user, you will see the option of downloading the JSON file. You can import that JSON file into Figma through the free Figma plugin. Let's copy the key over here and move to Figma. So right now in Figma, we do not have any variables. Let's open the UI plugin. So for free users, you can drop the JSON file, which you can download from UI. But for pro users, we'll paste the API key and validate. So we can see the hello design system is already here. All we have to just click apply. Okay, so these variables are now imported into Figma with proper grouping and scope as well. So you can check the scope. Now let's close this. We can quickly apply these variables. Just select the display. Let's make it display 1. This heading, let's make it heading 2. For body text, we'll use body text medium, and for this button, let's make it a large button. All right, now since this is a button, and for different auto layout based objects you will be required to have padding, so we can select the padding which we have generated on the UI app. Let's say this is the padding we have applied. You can also apply the corner radius, and let's apply a fill value. Like this. So this button is ready. Now let's also apply some colors over here. Let's make it right. Let's say you want to change the colors a bit. Let's make it a bit dull blue. Right, now we will confirm the changes. Now we come back to Figma, select, and we apply the design system again. The colors have been applied. Now let's see how you can import these variables and use them in your code base. So this is a demo project I have created, and this is the landing page, a basic example page I have created. Now let's install UI in this code base. So we enter npx UI, and it will ask you the API key. Let's go back to UI and we copy the API key. We enter over here, press enter. So it will show a list of design systems. We see hello, so we press number 1 and enter. Now these have been applied. All you have to do is to import the UI variables CSS file. Since we already had some variables in that, let's see if the colors have changed. Yes, let's change this color of the banner. So right now it is PG primary 400. Let's make it to secondary. Let's make it darker. Secondary 600, which on the UI app it should be this color. Now we refresh this and the banner color has changed. This way you can use a lot of utility classes which are available in the CSS files and also available in the UI website docs. Let's say we want to change further. We make it purple. Let's make this blue. Let's make this red a bit darker. Now all we have to do is run UI sync, and the updated variables will be applied without any changes to the code. Thanks for watching.